In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your digital portfolio, sharing informational brochures, or providing detailed user guides, knowing how to seamlessly integrate a PDF file into your website can be incredibly useful. Stick around and I'll walk you through the most common method for doing this on Wix, uploading and linking your PDF. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Once you're in, keep your eyes on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the menu options. You'll need to go to the Add section, represented by a plus sign, then move down to either button or text, based on your preference. This is where you decide whether you want your visitors to click on a button or a highlighted text to access your PDF. Once you've decided on the button or text, it's time to link it to your PDF. Select the button or highlight the text you want to use. You should notice a chain link icon, which is used for linking, appearing on your editing toolbar. Click on this link icon to open a menu of options. From this menu, select Document. This signals to Wix that you're going to link to a document, specifically the PDF you're about to upload. Now it's time to upload your PDF. You'll see an option to upload a new document, browse your files, and select the PDF you wish to make available on your site. Once your PDF is uploaded, confirm your selection by clicking Done. This action will tell Wix to use this specific PDF file as the linked document for your button or text. At this point, your PDF is successfully linked, but don't forget this crucial last step, styling your button or text. Take a moment to ensure it fits seamlessly with the rest of your website's design. Adjust the styling options until your linked button or text is not only functional, but also visually appealing. Once you've completed these steps, your visitors will be able to click on the button or text to download or open your PDF. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the information you provide to your website visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily integrate a PDF into your Wix website, providing an interactive and informative experience for your users. Remember, the best websites are not only about aesthetics, but also functionality and ease of access. Keep that in mind as you continue to enhance your digital space. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.